Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have all of the Shemodern sticky stamping polishes out. So I'm going to be doing a swatch video today. So I'm going to be doing it on black and white paper. Now the paper I'm using, I haven't got any black paper, so I've printed out a black sheet of paper. So yeah, what I will do is I will stick some music on and yep, we will have a look, stamp all of them, and then I will come back at the end and yeah, we'll have a look and I will share my thoughts. Okay, sit back, relax, and yeah, I will see you on the other side. Okay, see you soon. Okay, so that is them all swatched. So this is the colours all over white. Really pretty. They look very neon. They are very bright. And the pickup is amazing. You're probably not going to be able to see the shimmer very well, because obviously it's done on paper, but I absolutely love them. Look how opaque they are. That is amazing. And then this is them over black. This, as I said, this is printed paper, so I didn't have any black paper, so it's more like a grey rather than a black. But look how amazing. Even the sheer, look how nice that is. Wow, they are really pretty, and you'll probably be able to see the shimmer more on the black. That was me. I got it stuck to my finger. But look at them colours. Wow, that is amazing. I absolutely love them. I love the stamper as well. Love it love it so much. Oh, I can't wait to now get, you know, test some other things out with them. Oh, I can't wait. And I will do a video on the watercolors as well. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do yet, but I will do a video on them as well, just because I want to see what they're like as well. So yeah, I have lots and lots of designs and ideas in mind already. Thinking I might do try and do like a monthly Shemodern thing or something. So yeah, don't forget to head over to the website, and also you can check out their store on Amazon as well, because if you're in the UK like me, that is where I would order them from. So I will leave a link to that down below. Some of the girls have got discount codes as well. I'm sure they'll be floating around in the comments. So girls, don't forget to leave your discount codes as well. And don't forget to head over and check out Shemodern here on YouTube. She does lots of lives where she shows like tips and tricks, and it's really good way to sort of interact with each other. And if any of us are having any issues or anything, then you can ask questions, or if you haven't got any questions, just get inspired and get some, you know, inspiration from what she's creating. Very creative, and she's lovely as well. And yeah, we get to chat with each other as well in the chat, which is always really nice to have, you know, that catch up where, you know, it's not just kind of one-on-one, it's all together, which I really like. So yeah, so don't forget to check out Shemodern's YouTube channel. That is always linked in all of my videos anyway, so is the website, and Instagram as well, that's linked down below. But what I will do is I will put it in the pinned comment, as well as the their website and the Amazon one as well. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. What would you like to see me try next with these? Because I am like super excited to have a proper play with these. But I will do the watercolors first. I think I do have some designs in mind, but I think what I'll do is, I think because I have lots of different stuff in mind, to do the watercolors, I'm thinking maybe to do like single nails, because I do have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I do have 12 different ones, so I'm thinking maybe do like single nail designs, but with maybe a couple of colors or something like that. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think I should do? And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts down below on these sticky stamping polishes. I do actually, hang on one second. This is my other sticky stamping polish. So this is from Moira. So I just want to test it out really quickly and compare it side by side with the Shemodern one, just to see the opaqueness. Now I'm going to make it completely fair. I'm going to use the same stamper, same stamping plate, same image, to make it completely 100% fair, just because that's the image we've been using today. So so this is the Moira one. Now straight away I can tell you that this is a lot sheerer already. On the stamping plate I can see how sheer it is. So, and then hang on, I just have to get a cotton ball. So just cleaning the plate now. So I will use the Shemodern one, so you can see. I'm going to give it a shake up like I did the other one. I forgot to put the lid on. So this one looks much different on the plate. This is just very quickly. I think what I'll do is I will do a proper video. I do have a test in mind what I want to do with these two. So this is the Shemodern one. Let's put it as close as we can, and we'll do the same. So it is patchy, but that's me because I'm trying to be quick. Just so you can see the difference between the two. Hopefully you can see that this one is Shemodern, that's the Moira. You can see already the difference in how opaque they are. Now, I'm not saying the Moira one is rubbish. I'm not. I'm just showing you the difference between the two with how opaque the opaque black is from Shemodern. Just showing you. If I put them there, then you'll know which is which. So, yeah. And you can see the difference already. So, yeah. I mean, I will do another video where I, you know, have a proper test with both of them. Just for my own reference as well, and I'll record it anyway. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. And yeah, just let me know, do you have a favourite brand of sticky stamping polish? What do you think of sticky stamping polish? Have you ever tried it? Have you not tried it? Yeah, just let me know your thoughts, and I will leave all the Shemodern links and everything all down below. And yeah, let me know your thoughts. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching today. If you're not subscribed to me, please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, hopefully I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.